And here we go. This is entitled, How Do Three Old Guys Get an Airplane Out of a Tree That's Stuck in the Tree? And the answer is not very gracefully. Well, good morning, everybody. Today's a big day here for me. I've got this new airplane I want to test fly, and it's kind of a departure from the tiny little drones that I'm used to flying. At any rate, got it all put together, ready to go. So let me show it to you.
Here's the prize right there. Thank God he comes to the park with cigars. That keeps the bugs away.
And this is it. This is a Cessna 170, 88-inch wingspan. It's a Flex Innovations kit designed by a fellow named Kiki Samanzini, probably one of the best RC pilots in the world. It uses a 6S 5000 milliamp hour LiPo, and it's designed not only to fly docilely but also be a 3D airplane capable of doing just about any kind of aerobatic maneuver. So it's going to be fun to fly. Let's see how it works out.
This is a big one.
It is. All right, so let's get it off the stand here.
Shit, I could ride on that one.
Turn the radio on.
You gonna put the hood on?
Welcome to Open
Yeah,
Chat.
I am. Once I turn the radio on.
Switch warning.
So now I'm going to plug the battery in.
The size of that battery in there? Oh. You run your car on that puppy. Oh shit.
6S 5000 milliamp. And put the hatchback on it. All right. Calm down, Mitch. I shouldn't be nervous. This thing's gonna be a puppy dog. All right, let's check out the controls. Right, left, flaps, up, down, left, right. Okay. And power. It's pulling in the right direction. Okay, I guess nothing left to do but fly it.
All right.
All right, trim. Need a little bit of up trim in it. Let me get some altitude. Trim a little up.
How's your umbrella?
A little more up trim.
4 minutes.
Hey, that's a great idea. It's shot. Thanks, John.
Boy, this thing flies great.
It does. Yeah, but how good does it crash?
Shush. Shush. All right. Let's see what happens when I put the flaps down. 1 notch of flaps. I put some down elevator in it, but it still balloons a little bit. Full flaps. Yep. Well, it's slowing down. Well, I got some down elevator mixed into the flaps. It needs just a tad more mix. Oh, it flies like a puppy dog.
2 minutes.
I got the timer set for 5 minutes. We'll see how much battery I have left after 5 minutes. Yeah, it does balloon up with the half notch of flaps. But when you slow it down, it's fine. It just needs to slow down. Don't forget, it's a big airplane. Oh man, I like it.
1 minute.
It worked.
It worked beautiful. I don't have an extra $500.
It worked. Yes, sir. Very nice for a big ass airplane like this. Very nice indeed. Now we're going to check and see how much battery we have left. My battery checker right here. And unplug the battery. And check and see how much battery we have left. Well, that was 1/3 of the battery. So I flew it for a little over 4 minutes. So I can safely say 8 minutes on this with no problem whatsoever. 66% it says. So that's pretty good. All right. Always a very docile airplane, very easy to fly, very stable. So all in all, I'm very pleased with this thing. Hey, there it is. Grab the airplane.
Grab the airplane.